There are two main ways to add a text layer in Procreate. The first one being clicking the wrench in the top left hand of the top menu bar and then clicking the Add tab and then clicking Add Text. This will create the default text layer, which you can edit in a whole bunch of ways. The second method, which takes a little bit of setup but is super useful in the long run, is by using the quick menu shortcut for adding text. Personally, I have my quick menu set to the little square located between the brush sliders, but you can have yours set up to pop up with whatever method you like by going to the wrench icon once again, going to Preferences, and then Gesture Controls, and then selecting the quick menu option. Once you activate the quick menu, there should be a default template, but you can create your own new template by holding down the central button and then clicking the plus icon to create a completely new quick menu template. To add the Add Text option or any other custom shortcut, select that quick menu and then long hold on the particular button in order to pull up the list of options and then scroll to the Add Text option for the shortcut. As mentioned before, this quick menu is super useful and will save you a ton of time in the future, so I'd highly recommend setting it up for yourself. Once you actually add the text, you can modify your text layer in a number of ways, including by dragging it around using your finger and holding within the text box. You can also resize the area of the text box by using the little circles on the edges. And then of course, editing attributes of the text by selecting the little AA font button either on the top right hand of the keyboard once you tap on your text, or it should be down in this little menu bar. Once you've clicked into this menu, you can edit the font, the style, the size, spacing, and other different attributes. In this menu, you can also import any fonts by downloading the appropriate font files, which are the .ttf format. And once you've done that, clicking the import font button here will open up your file browser, and then you can select your downloaded font file. Finally, you can also resize, warp, or distort your created text layers by using the transform tools. But keep in mind, once you complete these actions, it will be rasterized into a normal layer and will no longer be editable text. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning on in, and we'll catch you next time. Adios, amigos.